Hey, today we're cleaning out the gutters and we're gonna go ahead and put a leaf guard on. As you can tell, I went ahead and cleaned the gutters all the way out. Now I'm pretty high up here. Let's just say I'm using a 10-foot ladder and there's quite a bit. But see, there's all the debris on this fig tree. There on my, down there. That's all from in the gutter. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I cleaned all this out. It's supposed to get rain tomorrow, so I wanna make sure that, I'm tired of hearing the gutters overflow with water when it should be going down my gutter. As you can see right here, they have like chicken wire. So I'm gonna go and fabricate some chicken wire from my garage and then put them up here and see if it works. All right. This is what we were dealing with at the other gutter. So I cleaned all of that out, and I'm gonna clean this one out and put the gutter guard on this one too. Now obviously you probably want to pay a professional to do this, but this isn't much in other people do stuff with Juicy James. It's doing stuff with Juicy James. So we got it all cleared out. Now we're gonna do some measuring. See exactly how far we need to cut. We need to have some overhang. Well, we got about 4 inches, a little less than a quarter. But we want some hangover. We're gonna go 5. All right, we're gonna go cut it now. Getting this measured out to see how long we need to cut. Where are we at? 20 feet, almost 7 inches. So here are the tools we're gonna be using. I've got this thicker gauge wire that I think I used for grill, but charcoal pit. I'm not sure it's wide enough, but I like the gauge, so we might try it. And we got that chicken wire, we got some roofing nails, a little hammer, safety gear, and a cutter. So we're gonna go ahead and trim this chicken wire to form and pray to the rain gods that it works. This chicken wire is about 4 feet. So I think what we say 20 feet, 7 inches. So we need about 5 more or less. And then one of those extra ones. So I'm gonna measure it out. Start cutting with my cutter. What, 5 inch or 6 inch width? And then just as long as I can get them. So I measured out the width here. And there's 6 inches. And I put this little piece of wire so I would know that that's where I want to cut, right here. And then I measured it out so I can get 2 cuts. There's the 12 inch, so we want to make sure that we get these 2. That's 6, there's 6. And then we can do it 2 at a time instead of 1 at a time. Alright, as you can see, I took that small thicker gauge and I've used it for the corner because it was too short, not wide enough to go all the way along. Then I went ahead and laid some chicken wire down and we're gonna go all the way down that way. So we got them nailed in. I know it ain't the Mona Lisa or whatever, but I think she'll get the job done. Heck, somebody comes up and says, "Your gutter protection doesn't look very good." You just say, "Hey, get off my roof." Anyways, I got my little helper over there.
Hi guys, I'm Beckett.
That's Beckett. He's being a good, diligent worker. I appreciate it. So we got it all planned out. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna try to double layer it because this chicken wire is a little bit big. I don't want smaller leaves to get through. So we're gonna go ahead and put the first layer down and then we're gonna double layer it with all the chicken wire we got. We'll come back and see what it looks like when it's done. We got her done. Not a moment too soon neither, because it looks like a storm's about to come in. I double thatched it down there where the trees are the most abundant. We got some weather moving in. So, I mean, hey, I mean, shoot, that's why I did it. Let's check it out. Hopefully it works. All right, it is pouring, and normally there would be like a torrent flowing off the side right here. So I would say it's working.